Hi guys, it's me Jimmy again. So you will be probably thinking today, what the hell I'm gonna talk about? I'm gonna talk about Internet of Things, IoT. You always heard that Internet of Things, Internet of Things. What the hell is Internet of Things or everything's of things? So let's get started with the Internet of Things and then how to come into the Internet of Things, how to make a big money, a big bank from Internet of Things, how to become rich from Internet of Things. Indeed, this is a really booming market like the dot-com boom back in 2000, not back in 2000, back in 96. In 2000 the dot-com boom was basically crashed, and then back in 2006 when the mobile app development was booming again, mobile development is crashing because there are tons and tons, billions apps already out there. You probably don't need to invent another app. There are so many games, there nearly every app for your problem. So first we get with the dot-com boom and then we go with the PC repair. There was a tons of money when Windows XP came out. People like me did repair PC and they earned ton of money, but after Windows Vista and the Windows 7 came up, PC repair business was dead. Windows was secure and then the PC component price was so cheap. Who the hell wanna repair the PCs? Better you just bought a new PC. After that mobile app development came, okay, it was really good. A lot of people came into it and they earned a big living from it, but mobile app development is dying. So today I'm gonna tell you about what is Internet of Things and then how to get into Internet of Things, how to earn a big money, earn a big fortune from Internet of Things. So Internet of Things basically is for example, let me give you an example. For example, here's a light. Whenever I come here and sit here, that light will automatically turn on. This is called Internet of Things. So basically mean there will be a sensor which will try to sense me. I will not go into the technical detail. Just the sensor will know I'm here, so the light will be off. So another example of Internet of Things is whenever I wake up, I open the door of my room, the coffee maker will start making coffee. That is called Internet of Things. I do not have to do anything. That thing will automatically try to make a coffee for me. When I will go to the kitchen, the coffee will be ready for me. You will be wondering, Jimmy, is that simple Internet of Things? No, we don't know about Internet of Things. Yes, this is Internet of Things. Like cloud computing, people make so hard. The cloud computing means just web hosting, web server. That's all. Still, people want to make cloud computing like a complete SEO. SEO is basically mean title, tag, description, meta description, URL, and a little bit good content, and then that's all. Still, people make SEO so complicated like holy grail. Internet of Things is that simple, so you will be thinking how we can get into the Internet of Things, how we can earn money. Okay, Jimmy, how we can earn money? Do we have to get electronic degree, computer engineering degree? No, I'm an IT guy, I'm a programmer. Relax. I'm gonna tell you how to earn a big money. First, just buy any book like a dumb electronic for dummies, or there's a magazine book called Make Electronic. Just buy that and then just spend around $200, buy a kit of electronic and then just try to play with that. When you get a basic diagram in your head how the electronic works, within 1 month you will be ready to know. After that, buy an Arduino board and Raspberry Pi. Not before. A lot of people buy Raspberry Pi before. Okay, you are a good programmer, you can program it, but you need to have some electronic design knowledge. It is not electrical engineering. If you have electrical engineering, it will help you, but no, we need electronic. There's a difference between electronic engineering and electrical engineering. If you can get a diploma, like a 6-month diploma, go get a diploma in electronic, not electrical engineering, electronic. If you want to get a bachelor in electronic engineering, go and get a bachelor in electronic engineering. No electrical engineering. Electrical engineering means electricity. No, electronic. I'm making it because a lot of get confused. Electronic engineering, basically I say you really don't need a bachelor diploma, you really even don't need a certificate. But if you take it, even you can take it distance learning online. You will be wondering how we can do the distance learning online. Basically, they will just send you books, just read it, and then they will give you a kit. Just try to build the first time you need to build a radio, alarm clock. you just need to get a basic fundamental electronic in your head. But if you have some basic knowledge, you can repair a mobile, you can repair a PC. I'm not talking about repairing PC, not replacing. Properly, one cannot repair a PC right now. We always have to replace a component. We never repair the motherboard, we replace the motherboard. We never repair the graphic card, we always replace. If you can repair anything like whatever, then good. You really do not need to start from the beginning, but not just buy a dummies books. Within 1 month you'll be ready for it. I'm writing an article what kind of electronic components you need. I will just try to tell you within $200 how you can start learning electronic. Just go to Gmedia Geek, regularly check gmediageek.com. So back to our topic. After that, you just need to know some kind of programming language. For Arduino you must learn C. Just get a head first book from Amazon called C. Head first book is a very comedy serial book which just make fun of everything and they teach you in a funny way, like a humorous way. Just get that book. Or even go with the Raspberry Pi, you must know Python. Just get a Python book, like anything like what was called Sam YouTube Python, or dummy book for Python, or whatever the hell, or Visual Quick Start Guide. Or you can just go to YouTube or lynda.com. Just subscribe to lynda.com. There's a really ton of tutorials. I do not care whether you learn from book, whether you go to lynda.com, CBT Nagar. I really do not care. Number 1, no electronics. Number 2, no a scripting language. Whether it's C is not a scripting language, basically a compile language. No C and Python. Yes, after that you can just starting building things. For example, from a Raspberry Pi you can build some kind of system which try to monitor some kinds of sense. Or from Arduino Board you can try to make, sky is the limit. For example, there's you can build, for example, whenever you go to kitchen, whenever you go to kitchen, for example, when normally the tap, the water is coming cold, but automatically the water can start coming warm. How that will work? You need to build some kind of system, embedded system from a Raspberry Pi or Arduino board. I do not want to go to detail in this, which one you should use for which project. For example, if the temperature go below 10 degrees, the water start coming automatically warm. Something like that. I really cannot tell you. You can just build whatever the hell you want. Sky is the limit, I will say. For example, if you just put a hand on the table, the computer will automatically turn on. Something like that. So you will be wondering how we can make the money. You want to make the money? That is so simple. Just build your project and then just try to go to the companies and then try to sell your project. Yes, that's simple. If you can come with something like that, and then a company will say, can you build that one? And you will be wondering how they are gonna use your cheap quality components. And no, if you sell their product, they will go into the mass production. Just they want some kind of concept which they can implement in their companies, in their manufacture, whatever the hell you wanna call it, small businesses. And then I wouldn't be surprised there will be some company, for example, if I build a project from home, I can go to that company will be build my same project in a manufacturer standard, and then I can sell it. In January there are a lot of books coming on Internet of Things. That's all. Just subscribe to my channel.